The Samsung Fan Edition Legacy just got a thrilling upgrade. A year after the Galaxy S23 FE hit the shelves, Samsung is back with the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 FE. But with all the buzz surrounding this new release, how does it really measure up to last year's model? In this video, we dive headfirst into a face-off between the Galaxy S24 FE and its predecessor to see which one deserves your attention and your wallet. One of the most noticeable upgrades in the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE over the Galaxy S23 FE is the jump in screen size. The S24 FE now boasts a larger 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display compared to the 6.4-inch screen on its predecessor. This increase places the S24 FE in the same league as the Galaxy S24 Plus in terms of display real estate, giving users a more immersive viewing experience that feels closer to Samsung's premium devices. However, with this bigger screen comes a larger overall size. The Galaxy S24 FE, measuring 162 by 77.3 by 8.0 millimeters and weighing 213 grams, is only slightly narrower and thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a premium flagship known for its bulk. This means that while you're getting a larger, more vibrant display, you're also holding a device that's significantly bigger than the Galaxy S23 FE, which comes in at 158 by 76.5 by 8.2 millimeters and 209 grams. For some, this increase in size might be a deal breaker, especially if you prefer compact, easy-to-handle phones. But for those who have longed for a bigger screen in a Fan Edition model without diving into the premium price of the S24 Ultra, this change could feel like a welcome evolution. Ultimately, whether the larger size is an advantage or a hurdle depends on your personal preference for screen size and how you use your phone day to day. The Galaxy S24 FE doesn't just bring a bigger screen. It also packs a punch with a more powerful processor and enhanced memory options, making it a significant upgrade over the Galaxy S23 FE. Powered by the new Exynos 2400E chip, the Galaxy S24 FE delivers noticeably better performance compared to the older Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Exynos 2200 processors found in the S23 FE. While the Exynos 2400E is slightly different from the Exynos 2400 found in the Galaxy S24 flagship series, with a minor reduction in CPU core frequency from 3.21 GHz to 3.11 GHz. Additionally, the larger size of the S24 FE allowed Samsung to fit in a bigger 4,700 mAh battery, giving it a slight edge over the S23 FE's 4,500 mAh. While the charging speeds remain the same at 25 Watt, the increased battery capacity should offer a noticeable boost in endurance, perfect for those long days when you need your phone to keep up with you. With all these upgrades, the Galaxy S24 FE feels like the natural next step in Samsung's Fan Edition lineup, appealing to those who seek more power, storage, and battery life without stepping into premium flagship territory. When the Galaxy S23 FE launched, it came equipped with Android 13 and promised an impressive 4 major Android OS upgrades during its lifespan. This commitment to software support ensured that users would have access to the latest features and security enhancements, and the S23 FE has already received the Android 14 update, marking a strong start to its update lifecycle. Dealing with Android 14 and the latest One UI 6.1.1, it not only inherits the latest features from Samsung's software ecosystem, but also positions itself firmly in the premium segment by offering extended firmware support. Unlike its predecessor, the S24 FE is set to receive an astounding 7 major Android OS upgrades throughout its lifetime, making it the most future-proof Fan Edition device yet. This enhanced software longevity is a game-changer for users. At the launch of the Galaxy S24 FE, Samsung unveiled an exciting new feature, the ProVisual engine. This AI-driven camera technology significantly enhances the photography experience, making the S24 FE stand out from its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 FE. While both models share the same camera hardware, a 50MP primary lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, The ProVisual engine takes the S24 FE's capabilities to the next level. It boosts nightography for improved low-light performance and optimizes colors in super high dynamic range photos and videos. This results in vibrant, true-to-life images and enhances the quality of the 50MP adaptive pixel sensor. Moreover, the S24 FE now supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, a notable upgrade from the S23 FE's 8K at 24 frames per second, allowing for smoother and more dynamic video capture. For mobile photography enthusiasts, the Galaxy S24 FE represents a thrilling evolution, combining powerful camera technology with user-friendly features. With the ProVisual engine, Samsung continues to push the boundaries of what the Fan Edition can achieve in mobile photography. When comparing the Galaxy S23 FE and the new Galaxy S24 FE, it's important to note that the latter comes with a slightly higher price tag. The Galaxy S24 FE is now available for pre-order, and it's set to impress with its larger size and enhanced performance compared to all previous Fan Edition models. For those looking to upgrade from an older FE device, Samsung is offering a fantastic trade-in program that allows buyers to save up to $400, making the transition to the new model even more affordable. In most markets, customers can choose between two storage options for the Galaxy S24 FE, 128GB and 256GB. The 128GB variant is priced at $649, while the 256GB model is available for $709. With these options, users can select the storage capacity that best fits their needs and enjoy the powerful features the S24 FE has to offer. While any price increase can be disappointing for consumers, it's essential to consider the value offered by the S24 FE. Beyond the standard hardware and software upgrades typical of a new model, the S24 FE introduces a larger screen and an extended period of software updates, enhancing its longevity and usability. For those interested in the Galaxy S24 FE, it will be available globally starting October 10th, with a vibrant selection of colors including blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow. If you're looking for a device that combines innovation with extended support, the S24 FE might just be worth the investment. What do you think about the changes in the Galaxy S24 FE? Do you believe the upgrades justify the price increase? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.